In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Bullx private key and import it to Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you do have a Bullx account. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below and the pinned comment where it will take you to a Telegram channel. And then in that Telegram channel, you are able to create a Bullx account. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and hover over the bull icon like so, then go ahead and scroll down until you see Wallet Manager. Then you want to go to the right and you want to select on the proper exchange. Now, since we are working with Phantom Wallet, we're going to be utilizing Solana. So I do have Solana selected right over here. Then go to the left where it does say Solana wallets, and then you will notice that we do have some wallets over here. Now, if you've never used Bullx before, then you're going to get a yellow button over here that does say private keys. And basically, whenever you do press on that, it is going to give you access to your private key. However, you're only able to download your private key one time. And I already did it for a previous wallet I had. So I had to go ahead and make a new one, which is what I did over here. So yeah, I already do have a wallet right over here. But if you don't have any wallets, then all you need to do is you need to press on new wallets, and that will create a new wallet for you. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and press on 2 private keys because we did just make 2 wallets. So let's just go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to say download your private key. So once you see this, go ahead and press on download private key just like so. And now it is going to download a text document to your PC. And once you went ahead and downloaded that, go ahead and press on this box that says, I acknowledge that keys cannot be downloaded again. And then go ahead and press on done. So again, it's really important that you keep your private keys in a safe place. Do not share them to anyone under any circumstance. And I personally suggest writing them down on a piece of paper and putting that piece of paper somewhere where it's safe. And obviously you want to have copies everywhere so that you're able to get access to your private keys. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the text file that we did just download. Okay, so then the text file will look something like this. So I know it may look a little bit complicated, but please bear with me. I'm going to explain everything. So before the semicolon, so this part right over here, that is the actual wallet address. And then the second and longer string of characters, that is your private key. So what I'm highlighting right now is my private key. And over here is the wallet address. So because I did make 2 wallets, there's going to be 2 of them right over here. However, if you only have 1 wallet, then you should only see like 1 wallet address and 1 private key, and then you are good to go. But all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the second text that is after the colon. So after the colon, we do have this long string of characters, and this is one of our private keys. So let's go ahead and just copy it like so. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet. You can open up Phantom Wallet via the browser extension or on the app. However, both of these will work. So let's go ahead and just open up Phantom Wallet, and then let's go ahead and enter in our password. Okay, once you're over here, go to the top left and select on your profile picture like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see add/connect wallet. Then go ahead and select on import private key. Then you want to make sure that Solana is actually selected. Then where it says private key, you want to go ahead and paste the private key that you did get earlier. And then you want to go ahead and give this wallet a name. So I'm just going to be calling it test like so. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on import. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.